In this video, you'll learn how to create a free digital downloadable products e-commerce website using WordPress and WooCommerce. This process will guide you through setting up your site, making it ready for digital downloads, and ensuring it meets your needs. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the screen and click on it to proceed to the next step. After reaching the Sites page, locate the button that says Create with AI. This button is typically prominently displayed. Clicking it will initiate the process of setting up your new site with the help of artificial intelligence. Once you click Create with AI, a message will appear stating that the foundations of your site are being laid. This indicates that the AI is in the process of generating the necessary elements for your e-commerce website. You may need to wait a moment for this step to complete. Following the initial setup message, you will see a loading screen as the AI continues to work. It is important to be patient during this phase, as the complexity of your website may affect how long it takes to load. When the AI setup is complete, a message will prompt you to create a website as unique as you. This message confirms that the basic structure of your site is ready, and you can now personalize it to better suit your digital product offerings. Next, type in the phrase "create a free digital downloadable products e-commerce website" in the designated input area. This step is essential as it helps the AI understand your specific requirements for the website. After entering your text, click on the Enter key to submit your input. This action will allow the AI to process your request and tailor the website accordingly. You should see a confirmation that your input has been received. A message will then appear indicating that WordPress.com can create a free digital downloadable products e-commerce website based on your request. This serves as assurance that you are on the right track. You will now type in the choice given above as prompted. Make sure to carefully enter the information, as it will guide the AI in the next steps of the setup process. Once you have entered the choice, press Enter again. This will submit your selection, allowing the AI to continue configuring your site based on your inputs. You will then see a message asking you what your website should be called. This is the title that will display in the browser tab. Take a moment to think about a descriptive name for your site. Type in the name of your site in the appropriate field. This name should reflect your brand and the products you intend to sell. After entering the name, confirm by hitting Enter. Next, you will receive a prompt asking for a short tagline or description that should appear in search results and social previews. This tagline will help potential customers understand what your website offers. Enter a catchy tagline that summarizes your offerings succinctly. This tagline is important for branding and searchability, so consider it carefully before pressing Enter to confirm. After confirming your tagline, click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will finalize the setup process and begin the creation of your e-commerce website. You will then see a message that says, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that WordPress is in the process of generating your website, which may take a few moments. During this time, it is normal for the screen to show a loading indicator. Be patient, as this process can vary in duration depending on server load and your internet connection speed. Once the site generation is complete, you will be notified that your site is ready. This could take some time, so ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. After the website is generated, you can begin customizing it further to fit your needs. Make sure to explore all the settings available to optimize your site for digital downloads. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.